Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a client tutorial on my beautiful friend. All the products and stuff I use will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But today she was going out, so I decided to give her a more smoky cut crease look. So right now I'm just building up her crease with a brown. It's a transition color. And then I'm going to work in like a darker brown in her crease. So you can see that I've got the crease pretty built up to my liking, so I'm just blending it, just making sure it's blended really well. And then now we're going to cut the crease. I'm just using a concealer and a really flat concealer brush. So with cut creases, it just takes practice. You just want to find like where their eye naturally creases. So yeah, just take your time, don't rush it. You just try to make them even as possible on both eyes. Sometimes I'm able to, and sometimes, one might be a little bit higher or a little bit more rounder than the other one, and people's eyes are shaped different as well. So now I'm just setting the cut crease with some translucent powder, just very lightly, just making sure it doesn't crease or anything. And then I will start adding some black in the outer corners, trying to smoke out the corners. So now I'm just adding on some loose pigments. I added about 3 different types of gold to her lid. So I've already put on her foundation and liner. Now I'm just highlighting her under eye in her chin. And then I'll start blending that out with a brush. And I go between a brush and a beauty sponge to make sure it's nice and blended. Now that we've got her all nice and blended, I'm just setting her under eye, and I'll be setting the rest of her face with a face powder. So now I'm just contouring her nose a little bit. I'm using the same color I'll be using to bronze up her face. I don't like to go too crazy on the nose contour. Just something light, natural, because I feel like not everybody needs an overly done nose contour. So now I'm just basically finishing up her face. I finished bronzing. I added her lashes, bottom mascara, bottom liner, lips, and blush. So yeah, that pretty much completes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.